Welcome everybody to my recording of me attempting to do additive codes. Today is day number 21 and we are getting to the final 5 days. So let's see what's up today. Let's see if it's a difficult day or finally an easy day again. Monkey math. The monkeys are back, yes. One of the elephants realizes you don't speak monkey and comes over to interpret. They can show you a shortcut if you answer their riddle. Either to yell a specific number or yell the result of a math operation. Finally, we're doing some int code. Over the number yelling monkeys know their number from the start. However, the math operating monkeys need to wait for 2 other monkeys to yell a number. Looks like we're using exec again. Let's get our puzzle input, day 21.txt. There we go. And then we have an example. So let's paste that in. Okay, so your job is to work out the number of the monkey named Root before the numbers figure it out themselves. A low number means the monkey's job is to simply yell that number. A job like plus BBB has to wait for these two. Okay. What number will the monkey named Root yell? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use a dictionary. And we're going to very ugly try to execute all of the things until root is root can actually execute, and we're going to do this just multiple times. So we make a dictionary. Then we got monkey name equation is line.split on monkey name. Let's see if that works. Monkey numbers, monkey name is eval. Can I do this? Let's see what we then have for the monkey numbers. Cool. So I can say while not root in monkey numbers, I do this multiple times. Well, not root in monkey numbers. Okay, so apparently this does not work. Okay. Let's import to see if we can replace things. Get all the strings from the equation. Check if all the strings are in the dictionary. Cool. Let me see print searching for these strings. So this looks pretty good because we're searching for hum and dvpt. And otherwise we search for numbers, which is arguably fine. But why is my monkey numbers not updated? Okay. Got it. So I guess I can still try this. And then update the numbers. Let me see what I have right now. And let me look at the example again. In the above example, so HTMDT should be there, and CZC2 is there. Let me look at this output. The DBBL. So this is in the dictionary. So I don't understand why. So it's searching for the right things. So why is this not actually DRCM? It's great that the monkeys have these terrible names. Yeah, true. Let me say found them. Okay. Oh, okay. So we updated the equation. And then I can say monkey numbers is this. I think now it should finally work. All right. So now here root is 152. Perfect. Okay, so now we can go back to this thing. Then we can look at roots and we get a nice number. Okay, rank 656. That is great considering how absolutely terrible I was at making bugs and completely fucking everything up. Anyways, let's continue. Use some kind of monkey Elephant human mistranslation. Yes, I do hate interpreting elephants and monkeys. You seem to have misunderstood a few key details about the riddle. First, you got the wrong job for the monkey named Root. Specifically, you got the wrong math operation, which means that it still listens for two numbers from the same two monkeys before, but now checks that the two numbers match. Okay. Actually, you got the job wrong too. You need to figure out what number you need to yell, such that Root's equality check passes. Okay, well, in that sense, I'm not happy it takes me 0.7 seconds, because if this this can be anything. Oh no, oh no, oh no. So def interpret. Let me also use the amazing power of backing up things, also known as copy pasting, better than GitHub. Okay. How do I do this? I guess in this case, if monkey name is its root, return monkey numbers monkey numbers so we return monkey number string for string in strings. So if we go back to the example, so we get root lines, then we have 2 and 150. So apparently I need to yell something. Let's see, because I know the answer is like 301, 299, 305. Replace the line which starts with HMN, what was it again? Human. Yeah, this actually looks pretty good. Okay. Let's then let's do one more thing. Let me find it and break. Found at 301. Perfect. So then what I suspect is going to happen is that this is going to be a super long thing. So let's take a look at if we can find it. So the second number seems to be consistent, right? It's just that the first number is going down very slow. And then the question is, should I do this? Let's see when we are finally surpassing this number. Whoa. I don't even know. Even if monkeys would tell me you have to yell this big of a number, I would be like, bro, can't yell numbers this big. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. Oh. Interrupt the yelling of the monkeys. Interrupt my Jupyter kernel. Yes, restart, please. So if a 0, if it's equal, elif a0 is larger, too low. Okay. So if it is too large, how do I do this? Damn, I feel really dumb because this should be a relatively easy thing. Plus is delta. So if we are too low, what I guess I can also start doing is that I just use the power of very ugly programming. What did I do wrong? So the I is not going up. And a0 is larger than switch those two around. Let's see if we now finally get somewhere. I also forgot what the name is of the algorithm which I actually want to try. Wait a second. Oh, I think I actually got it correct. That's my bad. I really noticed I'm not awake today, so. But I really hate getting up at 6 in the morning, to be honest. I'm definitely not a morning person. So we nicely learn what is too low. Now it nicely resets. Fantastic. Slowly making increases again. Oh, I'm looking so forward to Googling what the name of this thing is. Because surely there must be a good name for this. Yeah, it's basically the practice of always splitting and splitting, but I feel so dumb not knowing what it is. At least we are, like, this is something which looks like I'm willing to wait for. I'm very happy with that. But because we know whether it's too high or too low, we can systematically kind of halve it, and instead of doing the amateur hour of increasing it quadratically and then removing it again once, or like reducing it again once we see it's too high, like we can do, what's this search code again? There is such a good name for this. But yeah, it's not simulated annealing, that's something else. In any case, it seems like we are going to find the answer within like 25 minutes, so that's pretty good. Would be cool if I would have also printed like the delta all the time, because I would like to see how fast we are increasing, etc. Instead of setting the delta to 1, I could have set it to a half all the time, I guess. We are also getting faster and faster towards the too high, so that's also nice. And at least I'm very happy that I'm working in C++, such that I don't have to deal with crazy high numbers and issues with that. Like you have in other programming languages. Yeah, it's also hard because you never really know how high or low we have to be. I also thought it would be easy to find this, but I am, by the way, looking at this, like at the absolute sheer scale of these numbers. I'm quite happy that I didn't decide to, in some way or form, do this with my amazing human capabilities. Because I first thought when I saw this, oh, I can totally easily find this out. Although then I would have had the capability to do this kind of binary search to high to low thing myself, and could have maybe done it a bit faster. I'm not sure if it would have been faster or slower actually, because and I'm also happy that so far it seems to be at least some kind of linear function. Is it actually a linear function? Because if it is a linear function, we could have just taken 2 points and found the place where, damn, could have used function fitting. It would have been easy. That would have been possible. Actually, we can import TensorFlow and then use the built-in optimizer to to find it. Could have used gradient descent here. Man. Such a wasted opportunity. Could have used machine learning. Why am I getting paid in my work to do machine learning if I don't even do it in my spare time? Yeah, cool. Let's see, we're almost there. Almost there. Found it. Booyah. Rank 452 on this SARS leaderboard. It still feels a bit like amateur hour that that I couldn't remember the name of this searching function, but the star is a star, and doing this in 27 minutes is doing it in 27 minutes. And look, I managed to figure out how to use OBS to actually put stars I collected on my video. Anyways, good morning, have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment or tell me why you like to look at it, or please tell me if you actually remember what I'm doing here. See you tomorrow.